go to jobs.utah.gov. After logging in, go to the Registration tab and then select Add an existing business to my user account. Enter your Utah Employer ID and PIN in the required fields. Click Submit, and you will receive a system message verifying your business was successfully added. If you do not know your PIN, click I need my PIN to answer some security questions. If your business does not have a Utah Employer ID, select the You Can Register the Employer Here link at the top of the page. If you are a tax preparer filing for more than 5 businesses, follow the Tax Preparer Administrative Access link at the top of the page. With Advanced Access, you are now able to file all necessary reports, such as tax, new hire, or claims, view past reports and wage lists, make payments, and sign up for electronic correspondence. If you're having problems or need additional assistance, click on the live chat button during normal business hours, and a customer service representative will be happy to assist you.